Hi, this demo is about the Smart Signs app, and I just wanted to kind of demo you what this app does and how it can help you in certain situations. So this is the Smart Sign app, which will be soon available in the App Store. And what this app does is, as you can see, there's a small setup option where you can have one device, or you want to do a auto swap about the messages. Let's say you have two messages, slow and stop. Mostly these messages are applicable in the construction zone. You see that one is at one end there is a stop sign, and other end there is a slow sign, and always they are swapping, and there are two people kind of holding those signs. So in 21st century, I mean, I always think that one person can do that job, and if he changes his status, the other end status should change automatically. If the two devices are plugged in and they are paired up on the Wi-Fi or on the same network, then if one person changes his device status, the other device will automatically change the different message. So for example, one device is saying stop, the other device will display slow. As soon as you change this device, then that device will say stop and this device will say slow. This is applicable to two devices, but in case you have only one device and you want to switch the messages and the signs manually yourself. For example, like open and closed, like shops are open and closed, so there are two statuses. In the day when the shop is open, you want to show like open, and you want to have an image whereby it's not a static open, that is same. So if there is festival, you can change that open sign with customize it little bit with whatever is going on. So this kind of helps basically businesses to dynamically change certain things. And in construction zone, at least it will relieve one person's job, and it will add the productivity and business value uh, you know in that situation. I just want to demo you this app real quickly. So I'm selecting like one device here, and just setting up slow and stop, and just want to demo you this. As soon as you do this, it's up and running. So you can change like manually, keep on swapping between stop and slow. So this will be useful like in the school zones where teachers are volunteering, or they are manually controlling the traffic. So sorry about that. I want to show you the two devices mode, whereby you can have two devices, and you select two devices on two different, like here there is one iPhone and iPad, and in the both I'm selecting two devices, and I'm just pairing them up. So they detect, like here there's a iPhone 5 and this is my iPad. So once you pair them up, they're paired and they're good to go. So now if you change the status on this device, for example, we are in motion now. So see, as you can see, this iPad is showing you the stop sign, while the other device is showing you the slow sign, and you can change it. So now this will show you the slow sign, and that other device will show you the stop sign, and this can continue. So you don't need two people to manage this whole thing, and one person can be free up during this. So depending on what situation you have, if you need this kind of whereby two different messages to appear on two different devices, and it depends on what action you take on one device. For example, now here I can change the parent to this, like this can be a master, and with double click this becomes like a master. Now everything will be controlled from here. So there is no concept like one device will can only control both the devices are master. Is just double tap on one device and that becomes the master, and the other one becomes like a child device which will change. And you have a voice kind of a recognition, whereby you can attach like a you can hear some sound or something like that, so which confirms that the action is taken at the other end. So this is pretty much I mean, this is pretty much the smart sign app, which allows you to kind of access images from your photo library or something like that, and dynamically configure your messages, and you're up and running within like 30 seconds. So go ahead and use this app for your businesses, or if you are in construction zone, I mean, great. If you are at airport or whichever, I mean, situation is your, I hope this app will be useful in certain situations. Good luck. Thanks.